We will start in disassembling a system unit. First, remove the screw at the back of the system unit and take off the side cover. You may have to use a screwdriver depending on the model of your system unit. Familiarize the location of all screws and bosses or cables. Remove the bases one by one. Just be careful with disconnecting the bases because you may damage the pins. Unhinge the RAM by pressing the side clips and gently rock it back and forth. Then use a screwdriver to remove the hard drive, DVD drive, CD drive, and FFD. Carefully remove the screw of the motherboard. When done, lift the motherboard with caution, as this is one of the most sensitive part of the system unit. Next is the power supply box. Finally, remove the heatsink carefully and the CPU, also known as processor. After disassembling, we are now going to assemble it back. First, mount the CPU or processor in the CPU socket, then the heatsink. Put the power supply back in its proper place, then screw. Return the motherboard, screw it properly. Press the RAM in its slot until it clicks and also the video card, then screw. Place the hard drive, DVD drive, CD drive, and FFD. carefully connect each buses to their appropriate place. Lastly, return the side cover of the system screw it in sufficiently. Motherboard, the main component of the CPU. Power supply always provides a 5-volt standby voltage so that the standby functions of the computer and certain peripherals are powered. Hard disk drive is a non-volatile storage device for digital data. It can store, work, and other things of your computer in it. The bigger the hard drive is, the more memory the computer can store. Optical drive. Its main uses are video and data storage. DVDs are the same dimensions as compact discs but are capable of storing almost 7 times as much as data. FDD for portable external hard disk drives, optical disc, and computer networks. IDE cables. It is a standard electronic interface used between a computer motherboard's data pads or bus and the computer disk storage devices. RAM, also called volatile, its content is lost when the computer is shut off. Temporary memory the computer uses holds data and program instruction while they are needed. CMOS, It is used to store date, time, and computer startup information. Heatsink components with pins that cools the processor. Adapter card enhances system units or provides connections to external devices called peripherals. ROM, also called non-volatile, it remembers its content even if the computer is turned off. The memory chips that store impermanent data and instruction. Central processing unit. It is the brain of the motherboard, the portion of a computer system that carries out the instructions of a computer program and is the primary element carrying out the computer's functions. CPU fan, used for cooling purposes. Peripheral component, interconnect, or PCI, is a computer bus for attaching hardware devices in a computer. Ribbon cable, also known as a multi-wire planar cable, is a cable with many conducting wires running parallel to each other on the same flat plane. SATA cable, Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, is a computer bus interface for connecting host bus, adapters bus, storage devices such as hard disk drives and optical drives. I/O ports, serial port, transmit one bit of a data at a time. Used to connect slow-speed devices such as mouse, keyboard, modem. Parallel port, for printer connect device that can transfer more than one bit at a time, such as a printer. USB, which send data over a single data line at speed of 12,000 kbps. Sound card or audio card is a computer expansion card that facilitates the input and output of audio signals to and from a computer under control of computer programs. Many computers have sound capabilities built in, while others require additional expansion cards to provide for audio capability. SI, usually used in hard disk drive, scanner, CD-ROM drive, which sends data simultaneously over 8 or 16 data lines at speeds between 5 Mbps. IEE 3094 for video camera and DVD drive which send data at 400,000 kbps. VGA, Video Graphics Array, used for monitor, connects to the video port.